Lívia, welcome to Engineering Stories.
It's a pleasure.
Tell us what inspired you in your studies and what you do today.
I was very interested in materials. I'm very curious about materials in general and how they work. So I decided to do chemistry during undergrad to have a better grasp on what the materials are composed and how they transform and how can we characterize them. And when I was towards the end of my undergrad, I decided to explore a little bit of environmental science, and that's what I did my master's on, and to try to have a better understanding on how these transformations are taking place in nature in general. But then very quickly I realized that there is a lot to learn in that aspect, and it was very complex. So I moved back to just investigating materials and what are their properties, and that's basically how I decided to investigate self-healing concrete, if it makes sense.
Okay, thank you. So tell us your engineering story in 60 seconds, and the clock starts now.
So as I said, I decided to work with self-healing concrete, and I was lucky enough that we have this group here in Cambridge developing the self-healing concrete. And the idea is a material that can repair itself, and that would save us a lot of money and cut off CO2 emissions as well. So for concrete, the way it works is if we have a capsule, and inside of this capsule there is a healing agent, when there is a crack in concrete, this capsule also is ruptured and it releases the healing agent that could be a polymer or a bacteria or a mineral, and heals the crack. And here you can see the production of these microcapsules. We have these pumps pumping liquids inside of this microfluidic device. And here you can see the formation of the double emulsion that later on is going to form a core shell structure that is exactly what we need for the existence of a microcapsule.
Thank you for telling us your story.